Monitorpack, IT observability without agents. Deploy via GPO in minutes. Consolidate alerts, automate tickets, and visualize everything in Power BI. Simple, fast, effective. Monitorpack guarantees maximum security by leveraging Microsoft Identity. This ensures end-to-end protection of your data. Data consolidation is performed directly on your dedicated server or within our Azure tenant, ensuring redundancy and permanent backup. The Discovery module automatically discovers your devices. Its operation is unique. It enables automated and consolidated inventories, either locally, on other SQL servers, or on an Azure server if you have a Cloud Portal subscription. With Monitorpack, you can monitor all performance counters, processors, services, printers, ports, event viewers, pings, and URL response times without any agent deployment. At any time, you can consolidate your data locally on your own local SQL server or to Azure instance included in our Cloud Portal offer. You can also mix targets. The fundamental difference is that Microsoft connects directly to the concerned devices at the moment the alert is created. This allows you to supervise everything that exists on the server or device. You can generate and consolidate your alarms solely on the Monitorpack collector and send qualified email alerts with all relevant information to resolve the issue as quickly as possible. You can also auto-generate alerts into all your usual Helpdesk solutions, such as Jira, ServiceNow, GLPI, Zendesk, or any other international Helpdesk editor. Our alerts allow you to generate filters, enabling complex queries from your Power BI dashboards, or for your own server if you are using the free version, consolidating into your own SQL servers. Using the SNMP module, you can control any available SNMP traps. Monitorpack does not work with SNMP Walks. It operates exclusively with unique OIDs. You use a Power BI client, and a Power BI Pro license is included in our subscriptions. You immediately have access to 100 pre-configured reports covering 90% of your needs. If desired, we can also create custom dashboards tailored to your specific requirements. This includes Helpdesk, management, reporting, QoS, or SLA, management. This is just a brief overview of the features and simplifications that Monitorpack can offer. It's very easy to test our solution. Download our free solution now. Start familiarizing yourself with Monitorpack solutions by easily creating your first alert. And above all, don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions.